What if I told you these 3D models started as just a single flat image? No sculpting, no retopology, no manual texturing. Let me show you how. In this video, we're going to use Meshy AI to transform a simple image into a fully textured 3D model. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the Meshy link in the description below. Now, let's jump in. First, go to meshy.ai. Log in using your Google account. Once you're inside, you'll see the main dashboard with several options: image to 3D, text to 3D, text to image, and 3D to video. Since we already have an image and want to convert it into a 3D model, we'll focus only on image to 3D in this tutorial. We'll explore the other features in future videos. Click on Image to 3D to enter the workspace. You can always switch between tools using the left sidebar or the top navigation menu. I've already prepared my reference image. This image was generated earlier using Gemini AI, and I created a few variations to choose from. Now, simply drag and drop the image into the upload area. Once uploaded, Meshy automatically assigns a project name. Quick note, when you sign up for the first time, Meshy gives you 100 free credits. Each generation typically costs around 10 to 20 credits. Since we're using the free plan, some features appear as Pro and are not accessible. For this demonstration, we'll work within the free plan. Right now, we're inside the Model tab. At this stage, our goal is to generate the base 3D mesh without textures. Later, you can explore additional tools like remesh, texture, or even animation. But for now, we'll focus only on generating the model. Click on Generate. Now we wait while Meshy processes the image and builds the 3D geometry. The model is ready. Click on it to load it into the viewport. On the side panel, you can see technical details such as triangle count, face count, and vertex count. Hold the left mouse button to rotate the model. Notice the level of detail. Even fine elements like feathers are clearly reconstructed. What's especially impressive is that we only provided a front-facing image. Meshy intelligently generated the backside of the model as well. You can switch between wireframe and solid mode using the display icon. You can enable grid or statistics from the monitor icon, and auto-rotate allows the model to spin automatically. At this point, we have a clean 3D mesh, but no textures yet. Now let's move to the Texture tab. Here we have two main methods: generate textures using a text prompt, or generate textures using an image input. For this example, I'll use image input. Click Generate and wait for the texturing process to complete. The texture is now ready. You'll see multiple texture maps available: albedo, roughness, metallic, normal, and UV texture. Switch to PBR preview to see the final shaded result. Notice how different materials are separated intelligently. Reflective areas appear slightly metallic, fabric areas show higher roughness. Details like clothing and feathers are clearly distinguished. You can also inspect each map individually. For an AI-generated PBR workflow, this level of quality is extremely impressive. When you're ready to export, click Download. In the Pro version, you can directly send models to software like Blender. In the free version, simply download the file and import it manually into your 3D application. Earlier, I generated several other examples. The first version was just the raw mesh. Then I experimented with text prompts to refine the materials. In one version, the beard was interpreted as skin, which shows how important proper prompting can be. In later versions, with improved prompts, the separation between hair, skin, and fabric became much more accurate. If we switch to render mode and enable auto rotate, you can clearly see how metallic and roughness values react under lighting. If you're interested in exploring more AI-powered creative tools, make sure to check out my previous tutorial on Rodin AI's latest Nano Banana version to generate clean, quad-based 3D models with high-quality textures in just a few minutes, even if you have zero modeling experience. You'll find those links in the description as well. So here's what we accomplished. We took a single flat image and turned it into a fully textured 3D model in just a few clicks. That's the power of AI-assisted workflows. If you'd like to try Meshy yourself, the link is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. More AI tools and advanced 3D workflows are coming soon. See you in the next video.